Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. It's Mamie. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you tuning in, and I hope you're having an awesome day. And today I wanted to share with you how I pack my carry-on luggage, just in case you're planning a short trip and need to know how you should pack as well. But before we go ahead and get into that, I would like to thank you again for joining me. And if this is your first time joining in, I would ask if you could hit that subscribe button, like and share, and give me some comments, y'all. Let's communicate. Let's talk about it. Anyway, thank you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what I have today, because it is my luggage I am packing, is just to go on the plane with me. So I'm not going to have them take it and put it up under the plane, so I'm carrying it on. So this is what, in order to get through all those clearances at the airport to carry on, you cannot carry anything more than 3 ounces, okay? Nothing more than 3 ounces as far as liquid. So I'll show you what I have today. Let me just give you a look here. I'm going to turn my camera a little bit so you can see what we got going on. Okay, so y'all see all them goodies. I gotta have them. They gotta go with me. You know what I mean? They cost so much in the vending machine, so I take mine along with me. So first thing I have is just a toothbrush here. Easy, little small paste, thing of toothpaste, enough for a few days. I'll take one, but I'll take a second one just in case I run out, and they're just so small, so they'll fit easily in my package, my luggage. Okay, so I take this along with another small thing of toothpaste just in case, since it's just going to be about 3-4 days. And then I got my little Q-tips for cleaning the ears and things. Just a little small. My little thing for my floss. Okay. I love these things for my teeth, but they're just a little small. Sometimes if I don't have this little compartment, I'll use just a little sandwich bag, or those little plastic Ziploc snack bags. I'll use those and just put a few of these a few of them in there. But this is a nice little one you can get that costs you about $1, and as well as, you know, your Q-tips. And if I don't, I'll keep this and I can refill it, you know. So those things you want to keep. A little deodorant, because I can take this size, you know. Like I said, I only need it for 3 days, 3-4 days. So that should be enough for that. And I take my Lysol, because I do not leave home. I don't go nowhere without my Lysol. Now, I normally carry a big old can of it when I'm going in. I'm going to be staying for a week. But this time I'm just taking a small, because again, like I said, I need to be able to get that through, you know, TSA. I need to get that through them for the carry-on luggage, okay? And then I got this little small bag, little small pack, and it is 3 ounces. This is, you see what it is, it's Downy, and you can just spray that on your clothes once you get there to keep them fresh and to, you know, drop those wrinkles out of them so you don't be wrinkled, you know, since you're using a smaller suitcase. All right, so, and I love my baby powder, so I got my little baby powder there too, okay? So, those are the few things I carry. Those are must-haves for me. And then also, I got these little bottles. Now, what I do with these little bottles is I take my body wash and lotions and my body oils. So that's what I have here. I have these. I don't take these with me. I'll take these things here, and I'll fill up these bottles. You know, I put my lotion in that one. I have my oil in here. I'm old school, y'all. Skin So Soft. Got my oil here, because Skin So Soft works for many of things. If I'm going to be outside and I don't want any mosquitoes or anything like that, I like that. I keep that. And then also my body wash. I can take and fill this up, and this will be enough to take enough showers while I'm going, if I fill that up with that. Now those are things that I will put those. I will be packing those in my little bag here for my, it holds, here it is here. And it holds a lot of stuff here in this. And I'll put all this stuff, all these smaller things will go in here for my packing to go in my bag. Okay? So, that's what we do for that. And I want to show you, I'll show you how this will go in here. Put this back where I got it. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so now that we got that stuff out the way, I'm going to move this stuff out the way. And then I'm going to show you what we do next. Okay, so those will go in that little, all that little stuff will go in that little bag for my cosmetics and stuff. Now, over here, I do have just a couple of hair clips. I'll take a couple. I'll take probably a pink, black, and white, something like that. Just hair clips just to pull my hair up for me, okay? Now, y'all, here's the good stuff that I keep with me in my bag. I always carry my bag with me. I'll have my purse, but it's usually just like a hobo bag, a strap on, something small. I keep a lot of different bags like this one here, and this is what I keep my wallet and my goodies in, you know, my purse. So I'll have that. But I also carry this. So this will be my carry-on bag. And in this carry-on bag, I always got me a little blanket. See, I got me a little blanket. That will go in the bag. I'll just stick that in my bag, and that'll go in my bag. Because it get cold on those planes, and every time I go in there, someone says, "Oh my goodness, what a good idea!" Sure is, because the planes be cold, y'all. And I always got to take wipes, because as soon as I get on the plane, I want to wipe down my seat. You know, that thing, the little tray that drops down, and all those. You know, we still got COVID going around, and there's germs and everything else. So I just wipe down my seat and wipe down my area and my chair when I get on. So I have my little wet wipes in there for that. So stick those in my carry-on. Then I got my snacks, y'all, because I don't like spending a lot of money in those airports. And also when I get to my destination, you know, if I'm staying in a hotel or whatever, wherever I'm staying, I want to have some snacks and stuff, because those things get quite expensive in those vending machines. So I always have my Pringles. When they, you know, when them stewardess come around, the flight attendants come around, and they're like, "Do you want to buy this? Do you want to buy?" No, that's okay, sweetie. I'm good. I got those, right? I got my chips. I got my snacks. So, and I take some candy. Just a couple things of candy. We put those right in there, and they'll be in there for when we get ready to go. As well as, you know, of course, I got my cameras and stuff. I'll put that stuff in my lap. I take my tablet, maybe a laptop. If I take that, that's going to go in this bag too. Got my laptop and my tablet. I'm traveling with those, which I normally am. And I just stick them right in here, and those are good to go for, you know, carrying. Now I'll show you how I pack, my luggage. Okay, so what we have here for packing, like I said, I am a little heavy-handed on the packing, but I make sure that I have enough for, you know, so I can be comfortable, and if I need to change clothes in the day, so I'll take enough outfits. So this is a suitcase that is small enough for carry-on on the plane. So what I do, I have in here, it's kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 7 outfits, y'all. 7 outfits in here. One of them I'm going to be wearing on the day of. And then I have, of course, looks like I did pretty good here. So I'll be carrying one pair of tennis shoes, just in case I want to do a lot of walking or whatever. And then I'll have about 2 or 3 pair of sandals. And that's what I got. I just got some slip-on, some sandals. you know, some things for my day, for my that I do through the day. So see, I got plenty of room in my suitcase. You can see that I do have plenty of room in my suitcase. You see that? Yeah. Okay. With my clothes, as well as, you can just flip it around for you so you can now see the other area that I'm doing here. Okay. So I got a couple of sun visors that I am going to take. I got a couple of sun visors in my suitcase, as well as a swim cap, because just in case I want to really get in that water and play. Okay, just 1 second here. And over here, let's take a look and see what I got in here. In here, I have plenty of my underclothes, and I do have 3 swimsuits in here because I feel like I'm going to be gone for at least 3 to 4 days, you know, so I want to have at least a swimsuit for each day, right? And then I have 3 different coveralls that I may want to wear in here, and then of course I take 3 sets of pajamas. Okay, so that's my suitcase. So we're ready to go, y'all, and it's a small one. Like I said, this is for a package. This is going to be able to get for 3-4 days getaway. I can take that, making sure I have the small, nothing more than 3 ounces, y'all, and no liquid more than 3 ounces. Okay. Now, if you're using a bar soap, that's fine, but anything that is liquid, it does need to be 3 ounces or less to carry on that plane. Okay, so just a question, do anyone have any, just a question to you, do you have any questions for me? What do you do? How do you manage? Do you always have your luggage stored underneath the plane? Do you check your baggage, or do you carry on your luggage, you know, when you're going such a short stay? I just don't want, I feel like I don't need to pay, you know, all those large, you know, that extra fee to put my luggage on when I can just carry this small baggage, just a couple days, and it's quicker. I don't have to go to baggage claim to claim, you know, to claim my luggage, and it's just enough. It's just enough. I'll be able to wheel this on. It is a 360, so it goes any way. When transferring it in the airport, I'll be able to flip it around, move it around, easy access. That bag will just sit right on top, and I'll just pull it right on through the whole airport, and we'll just get on, and we won't have any issues. So my question to you, is this how you pack? Do you prefer to have check your baggage, or do you like to carry on? If I'm got a big suitcase, I'm checking that baby. Yeah. And I have checked smaller ones too. It just depends what's all in my hands and what all I got. And let's see, what is that flight? You know, what are they charging me for their carry-on? You know, if they're going to charge me, I might as well check it. So that's what I do. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, again, go ahead and drop those questions there. I thank you so much for tuning in. This is just a quick video here. Just wanted to let you know how you too can pack your luggage or carry-on luggage, you know, how you can do it. That's what I do. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day. And you guys, guess what? I'm going to see y'all later. I'm getting ready to go. Have a good one.